to thanks a Sucessão de Lisboa, de dança desportiva. Obrigado for giving us the opportunity to share with you the important information that we have. And of course, I will try now. So guys, we decided with Gabriel to speak in these lectures about a very important topic, and this will be the body actions, or let's say how we can involve our body in the coordination. When we speak about the body action, we have to have some rules, important rules. Normally what we do, we divide our part. This part we divide in two parts. So the first part is this one that we call it the beauty, and the second part, this part, we call it the energy. When we speak about the energy, actually we speak about the rib cage, this rib cage, the right rib cage and the left rib cage. Actually, what we'll do in these lectures, we'll show you how we can use the rib cage by coordinating all our body. You know that, of course, we all know that the actions that we can do with our shoulders, or the design that we can do, yes, we can do half circle to the left, half circle to the right, or creating a design number 8, yes, or reverse 8, or we can have a translation, yes, or we can go forward, or we can go backward. The same things we can do with our body. So actually this will be the actions or the design that we can create with our body. And of course I will show you slowly what can be the result. So we'll start very slowly with the actions, yes? We'll speak first of all about the translation, yes? The translation, what means? I will speak about the upper part, so means that for the moment we'll not move our hips, yes? We'll try to go as much as we can diagonally forward with our rib cage, right rib cage, and after we'll try to go in being straight. So what does it mean? Having the correct posture, being straight, yes, aligned, I will go with the rib cage out, and here we have the first rule. How much I go out, so much I should go in. Return in a neutral position. And then I'll try to do it to the left. Out and in. Out and in. You have to take it as an exercise. What does it mean? I will not move my hips. I will try to do on extreme, moving only the rib cage. Out, and I'm going in. You have to feel the rib cage that is kind like absorbing in and then going up. Absorbing in and then going up. Second rule number 2, that is one of the most important, and you'll see why, because when I'll try to do it in the couple, to dance in the couple, the most important things are the shoulder. What you need to try to do is to maintain your shoulder parallel, yes? They have to be here. Of course they will move, there will be a movement, of course, but this movement we call a natural movement, yeah, a beauty movement. It will not be correct if you will try to do this, yes? In this case we are having a distortion. So we have to be as in a box, yeah? Rule number 1, do not move your shoulders. The shoulder has to be parallel. And I'm going out. How much I go out, so much I go in. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Of course, it's important one thing, and I will try to show you the difference. If I'm doing correctly the actions, what means that my back naturally will start to work. I will show you from the back. And I'm going only with the rib cage. Out, creating this diagonal. Now what I'm doing, absorb and out, in, absorb. 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 And what you can see, that without moving my hips and without doing steps, I'm creating in upper part of the body a very nice dynamic and movement. Yes, I hope everything is clear. I will try to show you how it works with the music this, because of course we can practice it with the music, and we'll speak about the rumba in this lesson. I can create different design, yes. I can create a number 8, I can create a reverse 8, depends on the figure. I can do an action, yeah, half circle, yes, half circle to the left, and actually slowly we'll try to show you. Maybe I will make an example. When I dance the cucaracha, of course everybody knows, if I'm doing the cucaracha, I'm using the hips, yes, half 8 to the left. And then I'm doing the number 8 into the hips. And this we learned it from when we were child. What we are trying to do is to combine the hips and the body. So what I will do now, I will show you an example. Using the body and the rib cage, I will do half 8 to the left and 2, and as you see, I will do a half 8 to the right and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. This was just one example. Obrigado.